In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Google AdSense to your bank account in 2026. First, log in to your Google AdSense account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Payment section from the left-hand menu. Here, you will see your total earnings and payment history. Before you can withdraw money, make sure your account is fully verified and your bank details are added. If you haven't added a payment method yet, click on Add Payment Method and select Bank Transfer. Enter your bank account details carefully, including account holder name, IBAN or account number, and bank name. After your earnings reach the minimum payment threshold, AdSense will automatically process the payment. You don't need to manually request a withdrawal. Payments are usually sent monthly, and you can track the status under the Transactions section. Once the payment is processed, the money will be deposited directly into your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Google AdSense to your bank account in 2026.